third decade of 21st century. Traditionally, we could talk about centuries, but in this era, we should not talk about centuries. We should talk about decades. We should talk about yearly programs. The world is going very fast. Who can understand the world, how fast it is going, what is going to be offered to the next generation? Only a teacher who has got a bigger vision. And that needs to be cultivated in teachers. Actually, teaching is not required in classrooms at all, because education has become so open. Anybody can learn from the best teachers in the world. Why are teachers wasting time? And I keep saying, teachers keep on begging, please listen, please listen. So I keep calling teachers are beggars. And actually, that should not happen. You should become a master and you should make students to follow you. That is what is called acharya. Seeing a person, people should feel, oh, this man is great, I want to be behind him. And you are the leader. Teachers have to be turned to be leaders. And then the society will follow you. And they only can make changes in the world. Not politicians, not any other programs or societies, or maybe new policies cannot make changes. Teachers can. Only when they become adaptive, the time, understand the student, understand each one of them. I authored a book on adaptive learning and teaching 15 years back. People are talking about the digital learning now. 15 years back, I authored a book on adaptive learning through e-web and net learning. Understand, teachers are the most laziest, not ready to learn. If you can change that and you become a person who can show path to your students, you will become acharyas. That is what I mean by saying the adaptive torch bearers. Thank you. God bless you. I was so happy to be part of this great panelist list, and then open up a few of my thoughts. And few of the panelists were also with me on many programs. And when I was looking at Facebook, I have seen most of them are my friends. So today it has become a passion to get into different activities. But I'll tell you, you should have your own students who will follow you, ask a lot of questions, and you become a leader to guide them further in their life. And then you can say after some time, oh, I cherished my life. Thank you for this opportunity. God bless you. Thank you all. Namaskar.
Wow. So thank you so much. Thank you so much. You are just a great speaker, and I just want to be like you. So thank you so much. We want to we need to interact with the learners for mentorship and the guidance. I really love that. And then I also realized from you that it is quite clear, even in my country, that most students, they don't even know what they want to become until it is very, very late. So thank you so much, Professor, for that insightful piece of talk. I really feel that I've really learned from you, and I would have even wished to hear you talk because that was quite insightful. So thank you so much for that, and we really appreciate.